Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my channel Best Jewel Collection. So friends, I hope you all are fine and doing well in your homes. So friends, as you can see that today I'm here for telling you that how could you make a sanitizer for your hands, and it's a very simple formula and you can make in your homes as well. So please guys, watch this video till the end. You can make a sanitizer and you have just three things. For the first is your Dettol. As you can see that it's a Dettol, your hand remover Dettol. So as you can see that it's a separate. And the next thing is that you have to take 200 milliliter water, as I have taken in this bottle. It's a bottle of your hand wash. So I fill. It's a sanitizer, guys. It's not a thing that you were saying that it's white water. No, it's a sanitizer I made at home. So please watch this video till the end. So guys, as you can see that how could you make, so I am telling you that how could you make a sanitizer at your homes. So guys, first of all you have to take 200 milliliter water, as I have taken in this bottle 200 milliliter water. So it's up to like there. So you can whatever you want. So you can take an empty bottle and you can fill it up to like 200 milliliter water, and then in this milliliter water you have to add this separate. As you can see that it's 100 ml separate. So it's full bottle. You have to fill in the, you know that your transparent water. So you have to fill your empty bottle with your 200 milliliter water, and then you have to add this separate bottle, and it's, as you can see that it's 100 milliliter water. So please shake it well, and after shaking it well you have to add 10 milliliter Dettol. As you can see that it's a 50 milliliter bottle of Dettol that you have used in your homes as well. So you can just add like up to here. Like you can see that I'll add in this bottle just 10 milliliter Dettol. So you can see that it's just you see that it's a very least quantity as well. So I added in this bottle, and then I started to shake this bottle up to 5 minutes. So please shake this bottle, and when you add these type of ingredients and when you add such things, so please shake it well and up to 5 minutes, and then you make your sanitizer at home, and you can use after cleaning your hands, like when you're washing your hands. So please guys, share this video as well, and you can put it in your hands as well. And it's a very best and a very synthesized, you know that it's a very synthesized formula of your sanitizer, so you can make it home. So take care of yourself and your family. I hope that you like this video as well. So for more new updates, take a second and go to the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to see my fashion uploads earlier. So take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz guys. See you soon in the next video. Bye bye.